You don't want to work in India because of the not so good work-life balance and are looking to do a job outside India, then don't worry. Here's a quick guide of career options or courses which you can pursue if you want to go outside India and work there. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing different courses, what are the job opportunities, cost, course structure, and difficulty level, what is the do's and don'ts about the course. So all the details will be discussed in this video. So please stay tuned till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant, ACCA, and a career counselor. To begin with, the first and the most popular trending course in finance and accountancy is ACCA. ACCA is a UK-based chartered accountancy course and it is recognized in 180 countries. So it gives you a lot of opportunities. Your doors are open throughout the world. Wherever you want to go, ACCA is the apt course for you. The kind of profiles that you can be looking at after pursuing ACCA is accounting, auditing, and taxation. So these profiles will open up for you. Now, talking about the course is divided into 3 levels, having 13 papers in total that you need to write. However, if you have little bit of background, like if you've done your BCom, you've done your CA inter, you get certain exemptions. However, if you are in 12th standard, you can write all the 13 papers and get the qualification. Typically, it will take you 2 to 3 years to kind of finish the course, and the total cost involved will be 3 to 4 lakhs, including everything, your registration fees, your coaching fees, your examination fees, subscription, all of that put together is roughly 3 to 4 lakhs is what you will be incurring. So this is about ACCA. So after doing ACCA, your doors are open more specifically to UK, Europe. A lot of countries in Asia also accepted, like Singapore, Dubai, Japan, and all of that recognize an ACCA. So if these are the places where you want to go and land up, then ACCA is definitely the course for you. Now moving on, the next best options that is available for you is a US CMA. So US CMA kind of covers your management accounting, cost analysis, financial analysis. So these are your typical profile that will open up after pursuing US CMA. Now, passing US CMA is quite simple because it just has 2 levels. You have to just give 2 examination which are of 500 marks. You need to get 360 plus and you kind of clear your US CMA. So it's a lot more simpler course to kind of pursue, and the cost involved is roughly 1 to 1.5 lakhs is what you will incur to complete your US CMA. However, you can start this only in your 3rd year of graduation and not before that. So that's with your US CMA. US CMA now opens your door, yes, definitely to USA and also to a lot of other countries in Asia that kind of accept US CMA. Not specifically European countries because they have their own course called CIMA, which I'll be discussing next. So if US is your go-to country, then US CMA is definitely the course for you. Now the next option that I have is CIMA. So CIMA is similar to US CMA. So it's a UK based course. CMA is a US based course. So typical profiles are again your management accounting, cost analysis. Those profile kind of remain the same. However, your opportunity opens up to Europe. So if you're looking at European countries, then CIMA is your course. And CIMA can be started right after 12th standard, wherein you have 4 levels and you have 4 papers in each level. So there are 16 papers in total. However, if you have prior qualification like a BCom, CA, CA Inter, then you again get certain exemption similar to ACCA. Now, typically the cost involved is roughly around 2 to 3 lakhs is what you will incur for your CIMA course. So these are your good career options after graduation that you can start if you want to look at getting a job outside India. There are certain postgraduate courses which I'll be discussing in my next video. So stay tuned for that also. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it with someone who's looking to go outside India and looking for courses that can step them up. Please do comment below and tell us how you found the video, and you can also drop in a comment if you have any queries. I'll be very happy to help you. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care.